off camera, I pulled it out and I was like, TJ's gonna expect me to do some shit like this. And it was just out, so fooled all the people.
Today's episode, we are heading down to the Marietta, Temecula area. Sheepey Race, one of the biggest West Coast car tuning companies down in Temecula, is holding a open house / party for like vendors and some cars. And as you know, Sheepey is one of the biggest tuners of the Audi R8 and also the Lambos. So he basically started tuning Honda Civics way back in the day, and now he has grown, Alex has grown the company to bigger and better things, tuning Audis and Lamborghinis. So we're gonna head down, we're gonna pull out the Audi R8. But first, I'm gonna do a little wipe down of it. We're waiting for Jason to arrive, so I'm gonna wipe down the car a little bit. But I want to get your guys' opinion. What has the better cold start? The Ford F-150 or the Audi R8? I want you to give me your guys' vote down in the comments below. Here is the Ford F-150 with the Corsa Extreme exhaust. That was good and all. I would definitely rate that a 10 out of 10 cold start on the Corsa Extreme for the F-150. But let's see what the Audi R8 has to offer. So we're heading down the freeway, down the 15, but of course we run into traffic. So it's about 12:38. Show starts at 1 p.m. Hopefully we can get down there in time to get a good spot and check out the cars. But Jason has arrived. He's here.
I'm awake. I have my shades this time, and I actually had my coffee, so we're good.
So hopefully we just don't run into some cops. We're gonna try and get there as fast as we can, but we will get you guys once we arrive to Sheepey Race. There's a UFO. Check this out, the Sheepey Race Huracan, man. That is dream car status right there, right, Jason? Dream car.
Hell yeah.
I can't record too much here because of the copyright music, but man, that is some sick ass ride right there. Sheesh, look at that. RX-7, beautiful. My favorite color, orange, of course.
That's right, I was just about to say.
Man.
Nice wide
Check
body
out the,
kit.
yeah, check out the wide body and the big wing in the back. Dang.
Oh wow, carbon fiber, everything in the interior.
Shoot. You're right, look at that custom interior. That is gorgeous. For what, like a 25-year-old car? But what I wanted to talk about over here is the purple 12C supercar driven's car. Was one Stradman's car, but look at that wrap. It's so shiny. Look at that, shining right onto the ground there. Woo! So the 12C, it's an old school McLaren, but you know what? It's still a McLaren. I would still love to own one day. I know a lot of people do say that McLarens have their problems, but of course, you know what? All cars are gonna have their issues eventually. Sabrina, what can you tell us about your C8?
Oh, nothing.
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 It's all a big secret. It's all a big secret. For a teeny tiny vlog channel like mine.
It's gonna look really cool. It's gonna look really cool. I can't wait to see it.
So the day that you dropped it off,
yeah,
it was the day of that big fire, and I live right by the fire.
Oh yeah.
So I know it's been there for like a week and a half or 2 weeks.
What was that?
So it was just the hills. The hills are burning.
Wow. Yeah. Bummer.
So I know the big reveal is coming. Can you tell us when?
It's coming. Like a week and a half.
All right.
A week and a half.
Week and a half.
Yup.
All right.
You're gonna be surprised. I'm gonna make a lot of people mad, but we'll see.
It's all right. It's all right. Is that pink you have?
No. I saw the comments. I was like, what? And I went and I looked and I was like, It's because I pulled it out.
You were holding it. You were holding it out.
Off camera, I pulled it out and I was like, TJ's gonna expect me to do some shit like this, and it was just out. So fooled all the people. But
all right. just standing here getting a suntan from this Rolls-Royce Phantom. Check this out. Check out the wrap on there. Man, the sun is glistening off that, and it is hot. Probably only like 80 degrees here in Temecula, but dang, that is beautiful. Check out the pair of the NSXs over here. Wow. These have got to be what, close to 200 grand a piece now?
No, I mean, there's some selling for about 100,000.
Okay.
Some right anywhere between 80 to 100,000.
But for
a
an
good
old,
condition one.
yeah, for an old school car, dude, they've really kept value for sure. It's rare when you get to see two of them together too.
A blower.
Oh dang, he's got a blower on there. Kenny Bell, shit, puts out some pretty good power. SRT8.
I was actually eyeing the wrap more than the vehicle, because this is actually the kind of color wrap I want. For
Dude,
my,
it's a sick
truck.
color for sure.
And I want it matte, just like this.
The matte color?
Yeah.
You know what? I thought about doing a matte color too on my car, but they actually have a clear matte which goes over the top. It's called the Stealth, and it kind of just keeps the same color of the car, but just makes it like the matte color.
Nice.
Yeah, I think it would look pretty cool. Got too much gas right there. Yeah, a little spin out. Woo, that was a close one. Drives off a little bit easier. Wow. I heard him leaving and came out right here, and then look, you can see the skid marks straight into the sidewalk. A little bit too much gas there, buddy. I want to thank you for tuning into this episode of Hot Wheels Dad. If you would please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. It really does help me out so much. Check my social pages out, Hot Wheels Dad, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Always remember, you are the maker of your own story, so don't forget to make it legendary. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.